Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this lovely soft fruit bread, milky fruit bread. So let's go into the video. So here on my mixing bowl I'll be adding in my flour, 5 cups of flour, 1/3 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast. So I'm going to mix that together. Add in my warm milk. I use warm milk. If you don't know whether your yeast is active, you can put your yeast inside your warm milk and cover it for like 5 minutes to see whether your yeast is active. So I'm going to on my mixer and let the mixer to mix it very well until it is stretchy and elastic. Of warm milk, so I'm going to be adding 1/3 cup of that is the water I'm adding. I'll be adding it bit by bit. I use 1.5 cup of water and 1/3. So I'm going to leave all the measurements in my description box. So I'll add, after mixing for some time, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Even if you are using your hand to mix this, when you add the butter it's going to be messy at this point, but don't worry, everything is still going to come together. So you can see everything have come together. So I'm going to allow it to knead. I knead this for 8 to 10 minutes because I want it to knead very well. I want that soft agege bread texture. You can add in 1 egg if you want it very rich. It is optional. So here I'm done kneading. You can see how stretchy the dough is. So I'm going to bring everything together. See how smooth it is. For you to know that your bread dough knead very well. See the top, very smooth. So add oil to the pan so that the dough will not stick to the pan. Then cover it and allow it to rest. I'll allow it to rest for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes you can see how the bread have come up. It has doubled in size. So I'm going to punch it down to get rid of the air bubble. So I'll be adding in the fruits now. You can as well add the fruits to your powdered flour, but I like to see it. I don't want it to disappear inside the bread, so that is why I'm adding mine now. So I'll cut it into 4. You can as well just make it any design of your choice that you want to make your bread into. You can allow it to just be one flat bread or play around with your dough. So here I'm going to be rolling it. I'll roll 3 out of the cutouts into one pan, into one bread pan. So you're going to line your pan with some butter and dust it with flour. So this is the second one I'm rolling. So I'll add it to it and I'll continue. This is the third one going in. So I'll be beautifying it with some diced colored cherry. This just for beautification, is optional. If you want to, fine. If you don't want, the fruit you already add inside the bread is enough. So I'll cover it to cool for another 10 to 15 minutes before going into the oven. So I'm going to be putting this inside another bread pan. You can see this, like I said, you can play around your dough, give it any design of your choice. You see the way I'm making this one. So I'll roll it and put it inside the bread pan. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. So here, after the 15 minutes and the bread have rised again. So egg wash it before putting it in my already heated oven. So I'm going to bake this for like 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes our delicious soft succulent bread is out of the oven. You can see how the diced colored cherry beautify the bread. Like I said, is optional. I'm going to be leaving all the measurements, the ingredients in my description box. Do well to check it out. So I have to open one so that you see how soft this bread is inside. Are you seeing it? Did you see those fruits inside the bread? I and my family, we really enjoy this bread so much. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section how your own turns out. See you all in my next one. Bye.